In this video, I will explain you everything you need to know about a take profit and stop loss. First, I'm going to quickly show you how they work and what you should keep in mind, and then I will show you how we can actually use it on a platform. So first of all, of course, we can place them for a long or a short order. So either we are betting on rising prices or falling prices. When you're opening a long position, you typically have an entry price where you entered your position, and then we are making profits if the price goes up and losses if the price goes down. So we can limit our losses by using a stop loss where we say at a certain price, for example, at minus $50, we are placing such a stop loss. Same we can do for a take profit up here. We can say if we are, for example, $150 in profit, we want to secure our profits and therefore also close the position at that price. So what then effectively happens is we enter the position and either the price is going to go up or down. And if we exit the position either with that loss or that profit. Ideally, you should of course have a greater profit possibility than your losses. So you limit your losses and increase the amount of profit you can make when it hits your take profit. For example, a typical ratio could be 3-to-1. So your profits are 3 times bigger than your potential loss. Of course, at any time, you can also move these take profits around, put it a little bit up or down while the trade is opened. And you can also use partial take profit and stop losses. For example, you could only close, let's say 50% of your position at that price, only take half of your profits and then put another take profit up here where you close the remaining 50% that is still opened of the position. You could also, of course, do 10 of those with 10% each, just how you like it. And same goes for your stop loss. You could close half of your position in here and then another half if it goes down even further. So that's how your take profit and stop loss work. For a short position, it's pretty much exactly the same. The only difference is, of course, your entry is in here and now we are making a profit if the price goes down. So our take profit is down here and our stop loss is up here because we are making a loss if the price goes up. All the other features by moving it to different positions or using partial take profit and stop losses just work exactly the same as for the long position. It's just that you need to keep in mind that now everything is basically reversed. Now let's also look into how you can use it on the actual trading platform. If you're looking for the best trading platform, make sure to check out the video description. I've linked you my favorites there where you can also get the best sign up bonus possible. In this case, I'm going to use the exchange Bybit in the demo trading mode. I also have a video on that where I explain how you can use that demo mode so you can try out these features without having to use your real money. Simply check out the video on my channel and also don't forget to pick up your sign up bonuses down in the description. Let's quickly open a position in here. In this case, we're going to open a long position. And now as you can see down here, we can add a TP and SL, take profit or stop loss. If we click on here, you can see we can type in a price for take profit or stop loss, or we can also just type in a profit. Let's say we want to make 15% profit and 5% loss. We can type in those numbers. The price is automatically calculated and set in here. And we can also see our absolute profit and loss that we are going to make at these prices. Then we can just click on confirm and now everything is set up. You can see it looks exactly the same as I've shown you before. Here is our entry, up here is our take profit, and down here is our stop loss. I can now of course tap on here and move it to a different price and adjust these values if I want to do so. If I go in here, I can immediately check again how much profit or loss am I making now and what is my absolute profit or loss. As you can see, you could also use a partial position, so you can take not 100% of the position, so only 50. That's a possibility in here too. And if you want to cancel them, you can just click on the X right here and get rid of your take profit or stop loss again. Now let me also show you how it works for a short position. Let's just quickly enter a short position in here. And if we click on take profit or stop loss again, we can type in a price. Of course, this time the price of the take profit will be lower than the current price and the stop loss will be above the entry price. So we can just type in here or say, for example, 20% profit and let's say 7% loss. Click on confirm and you can see now our stop loss is up here and our TP take profit, as you can see right here, is down here. So it pretty much works exactly the same for a short position, just with the difference that the take profit is of course down here and the stop loss is up here. Of course, another feature that you can do is once the price moves up, you can take your stop loss and place it above your entry. Let's say the price moved up to here, I can take my stop loss and put it in here, for example. So now even if the price crashes down, I cannot make any losses because my stop loss is already above my entry and I will still make a little bit of profit if the price goes down to that price right here. That is also a feature that is commonly used. Another thing would be a so-called trailing stop where the stop loss automatically moves up with the price. If you're interested on that, make sure to check out my channel. I have a separate video on that. Also make sure to check out the video description if you're looking for the best crypto trading exchange, because with the links down in the description, you will always get the best sign up bonus possible there too. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.